Hello creative designers, my name is Peter, and on today's tutorial I just want to show you how to upgrade your PHP version from this version to the latest version using your cPanel. What you need to do is we go to our cPanel login page, and we log in. After the login, you have this search section here. Type PHP and you find it. Select the multi PHP manager, select this one, and you'll be directed to this page. And on this page you have all your domain listed here, and the version you can check if you are having the latest version. For this domain, it has been upgraded to this version, the latest version. You can see it is PHP 7.4, the others are 7.3. I need to upgrade them because PHP will help much in security and so many other things. So I just select this one, I untick this one which is upgraded. I come here to PHP version, I select the latest version here, and I apply. It will just take few seconds to upgrade, and you can see it has been upgraded. All my domains have been upgraded to the latest version. That's how you do it. Just simple and easy. I wish you all the best in whatever you're doing, and I wish you success. Thank you.